to protect our rights. So I have told my Deputy Chief Minister and Mr. Jana Reddy Garu to invite Kishan Reddy as a Telangana BJP President to attend in this meeting. He has to raise his voice in the cabinet. Why? Because it is going to affect our fundamental rights. So this delimitation is going to limit our opportunities. Where we are not ready to accept that, Kishan Reddy has to react on this. Why? Because from Telangana, he is representing in Union Cabinet. He has to answer. He has to fight for our rights. సో అందరినీ ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఇది పార్టీలకు అతీతంగా. అందుకే ఈరోజు స్టాలిన్ గారు ఏదైతే తమిళనాడులో సమావేశాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేసిండో ఆ సమావేశాన్ని నేను అభినందిస్తున్నా. ఆ సమావేశానికి రాజకీయాలకు అతీతంగా దక్షిణాది రాష్ట్రాల ప్రజల యొక్క హక్కులను కాపాడడానికి అందరూ వస్తే బాగుంటుంది అని చెప్పి నేను సూచన చేస్తున్నా.
Sir, you said that you are going to get permission from your high command.
Yes, I have to take.
When are you going to meet your leadership?
Before 22nd, you need not worry about that. While I'm going to Chennai, I will take permission.
Sir, ఖచ్చితంగా ఇది జాతీయ స్థాయిలో ఒక ఆందోళన జరగబోతుందా? సౌత్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి
ఖచ్చితంగా 22 తారీఖు రోజు నిర్ణయిస్తాం కార్యాచరణ ఎట్లుండాలనేది. ఇది ఒక రోజు కోసం, ఒక నెల కోసం, ఒక సంవత్సరం కోసం కాదు. 2029 ఎన్నికల లోపల జరగబోయే అన్ని పరిణామాలను ఎదుర్కోవడానికి అవసరమైన ప్రణాళికలను, కార్యాచరణను, రాజకీయ పార్టీల సమీకరణలు అన్నిటిని కూడా జమ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇవన్నీ కూడా 22 తారీఖులో చర్చించడానికి సమావేశాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేసిండ్రు. 22 తారీఖు రోజు పాల్గొనే భాగస్వామ్య పార్టీల అందరి అభిప్రాయాలను తీసుకొని క్రోడీకరించి అందులో కీలకమైన అంశాలను ఏ రకంగా ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్లాలనో ఒక కార్యాచరణ తీసుకుంటాము. నాకు తెలిసినంత వరకు అకార్డింగ్ టు మై ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ దే హ్యావ్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ ఏ మీటింగ్ ఇన్ చెన్నై on 22nd to how to go forward, what are the issues, how to make an action plan against this government of India and BJP. So we are going to, according to my basic understanding, this is my basic understanding, Stalin has called for meeting to take all party opinions. In that platform, all parties, all representatives and civil society is also going to involve in this process. We will take suggestion from even civil societies. Then we will make an action plan combinedly.
సార్, ఈ విషయంలో తెలంగాణ ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా రేవంత్ రెడ్డి కీలక పాత్ర పోషించబోతున్నారా? డీలిమిటేషన్ సంబంధించినటువంటి
ఇప్పటికీ స్టాలిన్ గారు కీలక పాత్ర పోషిస్తున్నారు. వారిని ప్రోత్సహిస్తాం. స్టాలిన్ గారు చేపట్టబోయే కార్యాచరణను ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్దాం.
தொகுதி மறுவரை செய்ததிலே தென் மாநிலங்கள் முழுவதும் பாதிக்கப்படும் என்று நினைத்து அதில் வருகிற செய்திகளை வைத்து தென் மாவட்டங்களில் இருக்கிற முதல் மந்திரிகளையும் தென் மாவட்டங்களில் இருக்க எதிர்க்கட்சி தலைவர்களை அழைத்து 22ஆம் தேதி ஒரு கூட்டம் கூட்டியிருக்கிறார். அந்த கூட்டத்தில் இங்கு நம்ம ரேவந்த் ரெட்டி தெலுங்கானா முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களை அழைக்க சொல்லி எனக்கு அனுப்பியிருக்கிறார். நான் அவர் கடிதம் கொடுத்து எங்களை முறைப்படி அவரை அழைத்திருக்கிறோம். அவரும் நான் ஹைகமாண்ட் கேட்டு வரேன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. எனவே 22ஆம் தேதி பல்வேறு விஷயங்களை பற்றி பேசுவார்கள். அது முதலமைச்சர்கள்லாம் சேர்ந்து ஒரு முடிவு செய்ய வேண்டிய விஷயம். அவர்களை அழைக்க வந்திருக்கிறோம். நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, in English only. Delimitation is a... Can I start? Okay. Yes. Delimitation is a very important and burning issue which will affect the entire South, and not only the entire South, it will affect the Northeast states and states like Punjab. Our Chief Minister Mr. M.K. Stalin has taken up this issue and he wants to unite the opposition parties in this country to come together as one voice. And today we have met the Telangana Chief Minister, who has always been championing this cause. The Chief Minister has been talking about state rights and also has been cautioning about the issues of delimitation. So our Chief Minister has asked us to invite him because he will be a very strong voice to join with us and take up this issue. He has promised, after getting permission from the National Party, to come and join us on 22nd. On 22nd, we will be discussing about delimitation, taking opinions from across the states, and together as one voice, our leader and Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, will take forward this delimitation issue, and we will fight to save and protect our rights.
Thank you.
And join us on 22nd. On 22nd, we will be discussing about delimitation, taking opinions from across.
தொகுதி மறுசீரமைப்பு தொடர்பான கூட்டத்திற்கு அழைப்பு விடுப்பதற்காக திமுக நாடாளுமன்ற குழு தலைவர் கனிமொழி மற்றும் அமைச்சர் கே நேரு தெலங்கானாவிற்கு சென்று முதலமைச்சர் ரேவந்த் ரெட்டியை சந்தித்திருக்கிறார்கள். அவர் கட்சியினுடைய மேலிடத்தின் அனுமதி பெற்று கூட்டத்தில் கலந்து கொள்ள சம்மதம் என்று அவர் தெரிவித்திருக்கிறார். அது கட்சியினுடைய மேலிடத்தின் அனுமதிக்கு பிறகு அந்த முடிவு எடுக்கப்படும் என்றும் அவர் கூறியிருக்கிறார். முதலமைச்சர் மு க ஸ்டாலினுடைய இந்த முயற்சி அவசியமான ஒன்று என்றும் அவர் கூறியிருக்கிறார்.